morning, everyone. So today we're going to talk about robotics. So before we start, let me introduce myself. I am Arjun Kalma and
I am Alex Loretta.
so today we're going to start our discussion with introduction. Introduction. Navotas is officially known as City of Navotas. So kung ano natawag man siya o Navotas, it is because theory sa una nga ang Manila o ang something malabot na nata kay ang tubig kay Liban bitaw dito nga siya. So ang kanaka place kay mo na ang mga Navotas which is naana siya place karon. It is known as the commercial fishing hub of the Philippines, for the city has the third largest fish port in Asia and the largest in Southeast Asia. It was established on December 20, 1827. Navotas celebrates its foundation day every January 16. The day in 1906 when it finally separated from Malabon, Navotas became a highly urbanized city on June 24, 2007. The historical background of Navotas. Navotas is known as the fishing capital of the Philippines. So, natawag siya o fishing capital of the Philippines. It is because dako kayo ilaha company and dako kayo ilaha fishing port sa Navotas and natawag ko siya o fishing capital of the Philippines kay doon sila og dagat. The original name is told to the place in its early history when it was still part of Malabon, but San Jose di Navotas in honor of his patron Saint San Jose. So, ang kani siya ka-picture kay naga-simplify ni siya sa lugar ni Navotas nga until now naadyaw na sila.
So, money summary data sa Navotas. Navotas is a flat and narrow strip of highly urbanized coastal areas located in the extreme northwest shore of Metro Manila. So, tanawag din naaalala ang data. Balimaw na siya ang highly urbanized. Ilang island group is Luzon. Ang region is National Capital Region. So, mami ang ilang mga administration. Ang congressman, ang mayor, o vice mayor, naasan ang district 1 ang mga administration.
So, economy. The major industries and businesses in Navotas is the Navotas fishing industry, and their commercial centers are Fisher Mall, Ayala Malls, and etc. There are few of their businesses districts in Navotas, like North Bay Boulevard and Navotas Fish Port Complex, and Navotas Street Commercial Spine, Agora Market, Navotas Boulevard Business Park. It is under construction until now, and emerging growth paradise. So, mali ang Navotas Sport Complex and ang Navotas Agora Complex, which is ang kaling Navotas Agora Complex kay more siya o mini market bitaw relevant sa to, which is everyone ang nana.
So, mali ang tourism and culture na naakila. The San Jose de Navotas Parish Church, Navotas City Fountain, nasa sila ay Palisdaan Festival tungkol sa sila ang fishing capital of the Philippines and nasa Guling-Guling Festival.
So, infrastructure and transportation of Navotas. So, mainly due ang ginagamit dyan na transportation sa ilaha is bus rapid transit, which is known as BRT system. A new BRT system na Bento is being developed to improve public transportation and Navotas is connected to Caloocan. So, makita ninyo ang kanang train kay connected na siya kaloob sa Caloocan. And ang common na mga jeepneys, ang common na transportation sila kay ang mga jeepneys and tricycles which is kapag dyan po sa tuwa na dyan po sa Indiga.
Education and institutions. There are 15 public elementary schools in Navotas. 9 are located at District 1 and 6 are located at District 2. There are 5 public schools offering secondary education. 29 private schools exist in the city of
issues and challenges that the Botas are facing. Here we have flooding. So basically, naman sila ang flooding kay syempre doon sila dagat, hilig silang dagat ang ilang city. So dahil doon sila mabaan bitaw. And poor quality of landfill. Like sila kay gamot makilang sea. So gaway kayo ang mga landfill sila kay if ever nga magbagyo. So yung dito kay pamita mabanish bitaw tungkol sa tubig.
But
And here,
prone sila sa flooding.
so here we have Panpas Orchivia.
It is known as the commercial fishing hub of the Philippines. The city has the third largest fish port in Asia and largest in Southeast Asia. Famous for its seafood products, fishing capital of the Philippines.
The Botas is famous for fish sauce, which is known as patis, and shrimp paste, which is known as paro. So here is the sources of our report and the information that gathered here. So
Thank you.
thank you for watching.